Agents face immense pressure to deliver exceptional support quickly. However, managing complex customer inquiries, maintaining a positive tone, and accessing information in real time can be overwhelming. That's where AI Agent Assist comes in. Agent Assist empowers employees with instant access to business-specific knowledge, live transcription, automated call summaries, and real-time customer sentiment analysis for faster resolutions and employee onboarding, leading to higher customer satisfaction and truly exceptional experiences. When an agent is assigned a call, AI Call Summary provides a concise overview of the customer's last interaction if they called within the last 14 days. Second, AI Agent Assist appears on the right-hand side of the screen. As the call begins, AI Agent Assist analyzes the customer's sentiment in real time. This bar graph indicates the customer's emotional tone throughout the conversation. Here, the customer's sentiment suddenly turns negative. AI Agent Assist immediately detects this change, allowing the agent to adjust their approach. By recognizing these shifts in real time, agents can proactively address customer concerns, improve rapport, and prevent escalations. Alongside sentiment analysis, AI Agent Assist provides a live transcript of the conversation. This allows agents to easily find information shared earlier in the conversation. The key highlight is AI Assistant. Agents can chat with AI Assistant during calls to retrieve business-specific information like company policies, product details, or procedural guidelines. This ensures accurate responses and improves first call resolution. After the interaction, agents instantly receive an editable call summary with action items, speeding up documentation so they can focus on helping more customers. With AI Agent Assist, agents can reduce stress, improve efficiency, and deliver exceptional customer experiences. It shortens the learning curve for new agents, ensures response consistency, and empowers agents to handle complex inquiries with confidence. Smarter support starts now with AI Agent Assist.